When you're installing your gateway, we recommend putting it in an area of the farm that's going to be close to your controller systems. We're going to do that for several different reasons. One, that's likely where our power source is going to be, so the gateway can monitor the power. But the gateway also can integrate with your controller system as well. At the bottom of our gateway, we have a grommet where you can connect dry contact switches to the gateway and monitor those as well. Those would be able to monitor errors or alarms from your controller system, if you have pressure switches for your water lines, if your feed motors are wired back to your office. All of those will be able to connect into those dry contact switches, which we have inside the gateway box, to send alerts to your smartphone.